Imagine you're signing up for a roller coaster ride at the amusement park. As you strap yourself in, the ride operator cheerfully announces that they believe the roller coaster will make it through all the loops and twists safely, so there's no need for the emergency escape slide. Oh, and the control panel is acting up, so they'll be relying on gravity to guide the ride. But not to worry. Also, they've removed all the safety harnesses and installed a good luck sign at the entrance. Would you still want to take that ride? Sadly, this is how many people approach wealth. They embark on the wealth journey without a clear plan, much like hopping on the roller coaster without any safety measures in place. They diligently save money year after year, which is incredible, by the way, but it's like getting onto that thrilling ride without knowing if they'll finish safely. They experience ups and downs, loops and twists without a comprehensive wealth plan to guide them. They're left vulnerable and to the whims of life, much like relying on gravity alone to navigate that roller coaster. It's time to trade in this unpredictable ride for a well-designed plan that acts as your safety harness and control panel, no matter what twists and turns lie ahead. But before we jump into the details, let's look at what a wealth plan actually is and what it's not. What is a wealth plan? Well, for one, investing money in an investment portfolio, 401k, or IRA is not enough to be considered a comprehensive wealth plan. While investing is super important, a wealth plan is a lot more. It's a well-detailed, personalized analysis of your financial future, highlighting planning and potential risks. A wealth plan is a comprehensive strategy designed to help you achieve your financial goals and build long-term wealth. It serves as a blueprint that outlines your financial objectives, identifies potential obstacles, and illustrates a course of action to reach your desired financial destination. When you know that you have a well-thought-out wealth plan in place, you become confident in your financial decisions, which would reduce stress and allow you to make more informed choices that align with your long-term objectives. You might believe that you have a wealth plan, but unless it undergoes these 5 essential steps of building a wealth plan, you're literally on that roller coaster ride without knowing if you'll land safely. So to build a masterclass wealth plan that navigates the loops and twists of financial uncertainty, there are 5 crucial steps that will pave the way to financial success. Step 1. Assess your financial landscape. To get a better idea of how to get where you want, you need to know where you're coming from. This means knowing about your income, expenses, savings, investments, debts, and assets. Do you often find yourself surprised to discover yet another monthly subscription you completely forgot about, like that streaming service you signed up for during that deal? Or are you overwhelmed by the substantial amount of credit card debt or student loan debt you have? By acknowledging and assessing these financial concerns, you can better strategize and create a plan to pay off the debt efficiently, and by cutting down on unnecessary expenses, you can free up funds for investment and growth. Taking stock of your complete financial situation will give you clarity on your best path to building wealth. You'll be able to determine if you're saving enough each year, or if you have the proper level of insurance. It'll have you identify any gaps that might hinder you from reaching your goals, or showcase where the weakest points in your money plan are. So how do you start? You have to grab your flashlight and start uncovering those financial details in your life. It may be hard, tedious, or even scary, but by assessing your financial landscape, you'll set the stage for a successful wealth plan, ensuring that you're on track to build a life of abundance you've always desired. Step 2. Define your financial goals. After assessing your current financial state, you have to specify your next target. This is because the major reason for a wealth plan is to take you from where you are now to where you want to be within a specific time frame, your goal. To reach a goal, you have to first define it. So, creating a powerful goal for your financial future is the next step after taking inventory of your finances. These kinds of goals that will guide your wealth plan have to be specifically tailored to you and your financial objective. Unlike a one-size-fits-all approach, a true wealth plan starts by setting goals before diving into investment strategies. You can consider these goals your personal treasure map, outlining where you want to go, how much money you aim to save, and when you plan to achieve them. Remember, your goals have to be specific and clear. To set accurate financial goals, it's important to calculate your estimated income while considering expenses such as healthcare, taxes, vacations, hobbies, and any other expenses you may like. Try to project these costs until you're at least age 90. That way you reduce the risk of running out of money and ensure long-term financial security. Without a clear understanding of your financial needs, how can you effectively invest? By determining how much you need, you can determine the appropriate asset allocation and avoid unnecessary risks. Making it a habit to revisit your goals annually will help you make well-informed investment decisions, striking the right balance between aggressive and conservative investing, and ensure you adjust as your life changes. With your goals in place, you'll invest with purpose and understanding of why you say yes to some things and no to others. Step 3. Grow and protect. Now that you've crunched the numbers and assessed potential risks, it's time to unleash your growth strategies and safeguard your financial future with a comprehensive plan. A vital part of your wealth plan is a well-balanced investment portfolio, a mix of asset classes such as stocks, exchange-traded funds, mutual funds, and fixed income sources. This diversified approach allows you to capture growth opportunities while managing risks. However, a robust wealth plan extends beyond the stock market. A proper wealth plan has to account for unexpected expenses and the ever-rising costs of living. For instance, it has to consider the impact of skyrocketing healthcare costs in retirement. A strategic wealth plan should consider a long-term care policy. This would protect your hard-earned assets while you age gracefully. Something else to think about: it is estimated that around 5% of Americans experience a short-term disability every year. What if that turns into long-term? Have you considered this? While the percentage may be low, your wealth plan should at least consider disability insurance or have general plans on what to do or how to fund your life in the event of a disability. Generally, to activate your growth strategies with some form of protection, you have to project a specific amount to every part of your life through the power of budgeting. You might want to start by dusting off your trusty calculator and crafting a budget that aligns with your financial goals. With growth strategies in motion and protection mechanisms in place, your wealth plan becomes a fortress against uncertainty. Step 4. Stress tests for unshakable confidence. The confidence that comes from having a robust wealth plan doesn't rely on hope alone. It has to be proactively assessed by subjecting it to stress tests that can bring clarity and certainty to your financial future. To subject your wealth plan to a stress test, simulate a sudden economic downturn, a major market correction, or a scenario where interest rates soar unexpectedly. How did your wealth plan fare in such crazy times? If your plan comes out well, you get peace of mind, knowing that your plan is designed to weather storms and maintain stability. By running these stress tests, you gain valuable insights and can make necessary adjustments to protect your financial well-being. Stress tests serve as a vital compass guiding you through uncertain terrain. They empower you to take proactive steps to ease risks and ensure your plan remains on track. By addressing vulnerabilities revealed during stress testing, you strengthen your financial future, leaving no room for surprises. Step 5. Create exit strategies. In addition to the security provided by your stress tests, you should have exit strategies clearly defined in your wealth plan where appropriate. Because the real world of financial complications may not be as exact as simulation, having this defined will help in stressful and uncertain times. As an example, let's say you invest in real estate and a health crisis hits that demands a larger sum of money than you feel comfortable pulling from your market account. An exit strategy may be to sell one or more of your properties to provide those funds. While it may not be optimal, it gives you choices, and that in turn provides flexibility. Remember, a wealth plan is more than just saving. It's about strategically navigating the twists and turns of wealth building. So hop on the ride, equipped with a comprehensive wealth plan, and get ready to experience a thrilling, financially fulfilling ride, enjoying the fruits of your work while securing a prosperous future. Thanks for watching. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to this channel so you never miss out on any updates. We'll see you in the next one.